Hey guys, here I am. This is a nice example of a Fordson Major 27N. Very good condition. Seems to have a brand new battery. This one is a Fiat 615, old model. Here is an old stock. First time I've seen such a tractor with my own eyes. Ford 4000, but this belongs to the museum. Still working hard here on the farm. It's the Willem Prinsloo Museum in South Africa. 6-cylinder W40 McCormick Deering. There you can see the 6 cylinders, massive engine. And here is what I believe also a McCormick Deering. This one is a row crop, what I believe is also a type of farmhall. Very old Fendt. The original condition. Look at this old Ferguson. This must be very, very old. There's the engine. With this funny rear part. It's a small trailer fixed to the tractor, and the steering is right up, and the driver sits totally on the right hand of the tractor. This is a Lister Junior, still on a very nice Volkswagen double cab combi bakkie with a good brod on a trailer.